When we were doing it manually, this was a process that took days. On the new KETIV automated solution, it's truly something that we can turn around in a matter of hours. Hi, I'm Eric Anders, Head of Commercial Engineering and Design at Hannibal Industries, a Nucor company. Before we started working with KETIV, we were very manual in our processes. We were spending hours and hours and hours on design for individual projects that weren't super unique systems, right? They were parts that we had used before, but we didn't have a system, a digital system that allowed us to reuse that knowledge. That means that we were passing on quotes because our backlog was too long. That's business out the door, right? That customer needs a solution and they're gonna go somewhere else and find that. KETIV has helped us build a solution that improves our processes and improves the outcome for the customer. That allows us to turn around quotes faster, right? That allows us to bring a solution to a customer in a different way. Today, we're really developing a whole system within our KETIV solutions and then providing that system back to the customer. In the old manual system, we would make changes, we would send it to them, sales would have to approve it, come back to engineering, they'd make the changes, etc. We're able to actually do changes on the fly, work out what that system is, and get it to approval quicker. That really changes the selling process. We don't see anybody else doing this, and that creates value for Hannibal. We're actually able to bring more deals into the business and convert more quotes into orders. Not only are we improving the design process, but we're also better supporting production. Through our new design tools, we're able to generate a bill of materials, a part list, supporting documentation that goes directly to production. So not only do we improve efficiencies, but we also reduce the likelihood for a mistake in that process. At the end of the day, when we go to install the system, we're getting less return product because we're designing it correctly on the front end, and that's huge. The solutions that we're developing with KETIV are very cool, right? They're something that the space that we work in hasn't seen before. It's a digital process that historically has not been digital, right? And we think that's pretty neat. And when you talk about attracting talent into the company, when you talk about being able to take something to your customers and take it to the market that's different than what other folks are doing, it's a differentiator. And that's something unique that Hannibal and KETIV can bring.